When something you order arrives on your doorstep, do you ever think about the journey it took to get there? That book you ordered online, or that new dining table, everything that arrives in your home started somewhere else, often somewhere a long way away. And the companies that send these products to us need to put a lot of thought into how they transport their goods to our homes. In the past, cost and speed were the main factors in this decision making. If companies needed products to arrive very quickly, they would be likely to choose to transport them by air. When time was less of a concern, or if cost was the primary concern, companies would usually have their goods transported by ship across the sea or on trains across land. While cost and speed of delivery are still major factors in a company's decision making, the environmental impact of different modes of transport has become a major influence too. Companies are now choosing water and rail transport, not just because they are cheaper, but because these methods of transport do not damage the environment so much as air travel.
Companies used to primarily consider cost and speed when deciding what method of transport to use for shipping goods. Although these two factors are still very important, the environmental impact of transporting goods has now become another major factor in the decision-making process, with some companies choosing rail and sea ahead of air due to the damaging effect of air travel on the environment.